be jamming on TikTok like, let me see that through it. I'm like, maybe I need to start dancing on TikTok.
We love you,
Good morning, y'all. Good morning and welcome back to my channel. I'm ShennaLagail. And if you're new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, or you have you viewed some of my other videos, welcome back. I'm tired of looking rough on this camera. I was cute last night for the Cowboys game. I don't know why I didn't record me. I had put on my jersey. I was all black jersey, black pants, cowgirl boots. And it, of course, had the blue numbers and stuff on it. Yeah. Anyways, okay, y'all. So I don't know what happened to the phone, but anyways, I was real cute last night. And I was going to go and I wanted to get out there early enough. Y'all know I'm always late. But one of my cousins, well, he's kind of like a cousin. Anyways, he was making a music video out there. He made another song for the Cowboys and he was shooting a video. So my intentions was to go out there, but I was kind of waiting on my friend to see. He had a couple of errands to run, and I didn't really want to leave him. But when I was getting dressed, y'all see how my hair looking. I used that can spray. I wanted some blue in it, just in case, like I went to the video or whatever. I wanted my hair to have some blue in it, and I sprayed it with the can spray. And that stuff, y'all, this is my good hair. This is that raw hair that I be telling y'all about. But after I sprayed that blue can spray on my hair, it feel like a film. Like it didn't even want to curl either. But I was so worried that the hair was going to tangle up or whatever. But it stayed in place. But it feels so nasty, y'all. And so I went on and sprayed it in there because I knew I was going to take it out and wash it and all that. I had a hair appointment this morning. But the new stylist that I'm trying, he texted me this morning, and his flight was delayed, so he pushed my appointment off until later on today, which is fine. Fine with me, and that's why I don't really take down my hair. Cause if I had my hair down, I would have been trying to find a wig. I would have been trying to find something to put on my head. So I have to take my hair down. My appointment now is at 7 p.m. and it's right by my house. So I'm going to take down my hair a little bit later. So I wanted to vlog and bring y'all with me with that, and I'll also be shooting a video on that wig that I'm getting installed today. That was sent to me to review. So I did my wigs before in the past, but I'm not that good at them. So I ain't even ever wore wigs before the wig video I put on here that I was installing mine, and then I installed my daughter's. So this is something new for me. I'm like, Shayna, 2022, you trying new stuff. You stepping your game up, you leveling up, stepping your look up, all of it. So this is just a start for it. So he really good. I really like the way he do hair. So oh my goodness. Anyways, I'm excited to be going to get my hair done. So I just want to pick up the camera. I'm finna probably go grab me some lunch. I got invited out to lunch this morning, or brunch, or whatever. So probably finna go home and freshen up. I don't know how I'm gonna comb my hair, comb this gook out of it. Hopefully it do alright, just for me to grab lunch real quick. And then y'all look at this puppy. I got my grandbaby with me this morning. She is so adorable. My hair is so real. But anyways, y'all got her with me. I just left from my friend's house. So I told her I would go grandbaby love this puppy. And this puppy giving her the blues. She think, oh my God, I got the, what is it doing? Is it asleep? I'm just like, let the puppy be a puppy. But anyways, y'all, let me get home and get freshened up so I can go get a bite to eat. So I get back home so I can take my hair down. So I just want to pick the camera back up and say, hey, y'all. Oh, y'all, it's hot out here. I ain't even get to show y'all what I have on. And I'm not going back in the house, so I'm going to show y'all real quick. I just wearing this blue jean jacket. This, what is this called? This black hammy. And then, y'all know them Forever 21 leggings sets that I got. I got on them, and they are really giving body because they are so high rise and stretchy. And then I'm gonna do a haul on these, y'all. And then I got on my Louis Vuitton shoes, my bag. I'm hot. It's hot out here today. Come on, Cole. So I'm gonna run some errands real quick. Something like this, something like that.
7.9 miles. Take the exit.
Okay, y'all. So I am rolling. Y'all, it was a nice looking old man at the gas station. I thought I got done pumping my gas. He talking about some next time, let me pump that gas for you. Let me get that for you. Alright, bye. And I think he was saying like, how I'm gonna see you next time. I just left. I don't like folks, y'all. I don't like folks. Don't holler at me. I thought I went in there and paid for my gas and pumped the gas. Like, I don't know. Like, I like a man with confidence because I am so goddamn shy. So, if you're shy or bashful, then you won't probably never talk to me. My friend, I don't know. I'm like so loyal to my friend. I love his style, his personality, affectionate, and confidence. But anyways, I'm just rolling. I'm about to ride downtown real quick. My hair a mess, y'all. Like I said, I sprayed that blue stuff in her, and it's like feel like a big film on my hair. I like my hair flow, even though it's moving, but I ain't really do nothing to it either. So yeah. So how was y'all Christmas? Mine was good. I don't think my Christmas will ever be great. Due to I don't have my mom. You know, like if nothing else, if you don't have, if you're single and nothing else, you go to your mom's house, you know, and have a great time. But I did go over after my kids opened up their gifts. We went over to their dad's house and I stayed a little while to watch them open gifts and all of that. Ate some steak and banana pudding, eat the cookie, y'all. When I was with him, I didn't have to cook. I didn't have to go to the grocery store. I didn't have to do none of that. I didn't have to clean. I didn't have to do none of that. Like, so, yeah. Then when we left there, me and my oldest daughter and our new addition, Nina, the puppy, my grandbaby, grandpuppy. I don't want no grandbabies. At least not until I'm 70. But we went over to my aunt's, my uncle and cousin house, which is my grandmother's house. My mom's mom, she passed away last year. So of course, even now, Nina's still not the same. Don't have no dressing on Thanksgiving. And she used to make the best dressing in the world. But so y'all probably seen on my vlog. If you haven't watched it, it's a 1K giveaway on my last vlog. It's kind of long, so hey.
want this shit forever mine, ever mine, ever mine. I want this shit forever mine, ever mine, ever mine. Last name ever, first name greatest. Like a sprained ankle, boy, ain't nothing to play with. Started off local, but thanks to all that.
Okay, y'all, so I am at home. I've been home for a minute, y'all. I was out running errands and somebody just had to treat me to lunch. So I went to lunch and then my friend called me saying, oh, I haven't had anything to eat. I'm here eating lunch for myself. So I'm like, oh, no problem. I already ate, but I'll come have a drink with you too. So yeah, I just had me a couple drinks and that stuff, drinks, y'all, I'm a rookie or something because drinks just literally make me want to just sleep. So I'm at home now. Don't really want to take my hair down. Got folks in my goddamn inbox. I'm like, did you say you want to pay for my hair? Because I don't. So, yeah. Yeah, I need to hurry up and take my hair down. Just don't feel like I just want to go to sleep. I've been watching TikTok, y'all. They be jamming on TikTok like, let me see that A through it. I'm like, maybe I need to start dancing on TikTok. Let me see that. Hey, let me see that. I'll be like, for real, y'all. That's the alcohol drinking. I do not handle drinks well. FYI. Oh, shoot. I'm sitting here like, I ain't got a freaking hair appointment. Like, let me take this hair out of my head. But, shake back, Shenna, shake back. Anyways, so I'm just gonna sit here and take my hair down. Get ready for my appointment. I'm trying to think. I don't know. Like, I had posted a little clip when I was out having drinks with my friend. And, I don't know. I don't know who watch my vlogs. I don't really want to just say too much. But it's like, dudes they're funny to me. They will see a lady out enjoying herself and then comment on it like, oh, you went without me, or I wish I could have took you, or are you by yourself? Oh, my bad. Like, shit is petty to me. That is so petty. Like, if you want to pursue a lady, do that. Like, don't worry about the next person, especially if she's considerably single. Like, that to me is just like, I mean, did you ask to take me out to eat? Did you ask to pay for something for me? You know, so when the next person do it, I don't like that petty comments or inboxes. Like, no. Who sit back and wait? Because I'm not going out there now, man. I'm not sure how women do it these days, but Shenna, I never pursued a man before. For one, I'm too shy. For two, I'm just not going to do it. But I'm going to get what I want and who I want. I'm just not going to pursue a man. I'm not going to do it. I ain't even finna sit here and let this alcohol drink. I mean, I'm not finna sit here and let this alcohol talk for me. I'm about to take my hair down. So, just want the hot back on, y'all. I'm feeling good. I'm laying down. Finna try to get this hair out real quick. I got about 2 hours before my appointment. So if I get this out, get it washed, conditioned, and blow dried, tie down, and wait on my appointment. So yeah, I'm drunk. All right, y'all. So I will pick y'all back up shortly. Okay, y'all. So I have washed and blow dried my hair, and I'm ready for my appointment. It's already like, 7:50. My appointment was supposed to be at 7, but he's running behind, which was great. Because like at 6:30, I was still taking out my hair. Because y'all know them drinks had kicked in, and so I was slow. But I got it washed, and I got it ready. So I'm gonna ready to go in just a little bit. y'all, I am looking. I just opened up the wig that this company sent me, and I told them to send me a full a frontal lace wig, and they sends me this 4x4. I just opened it up. Like, I left it in the package because I know what I had ordered, but I got a 4x4 closure. Now I'm trying to decide if I still want to go pay this money to get this put on. Like, I could have did this myself. I thought it was a frontal wig, so. And then I wanted the side part. This is annoying. Look at me look like Bookshot. This is annoying. The hair look pretty though. And long. Supposed to be a 28-inch. I look back at my order. It's supposed to be a 28-inch loose wave frontal wig. So we'll see what I'm finna do. I just text the stylist. Okay, y'all, hold up. Hey, y'all, so I just finished getting my hair done. I love it. It's hard to see here at nighttime, but it is pretty. Pop it in here. Oh my goodness, this is pretty. Y'all, I gotta show y'all at home. My hair is so cute. Okay, y'all, so I meant to show y'all my hair. You can see it, but I done put my band on. I got this. I just want to make this hair last, so I put a band around it. So I'm gonna take my bath. I got this. I probably should have got a water band in this. But anyways, I'm finna take my bath, and I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope y'all enjoy my day with me. And I'm sorry, I'm looking at my hair. I hope y'all enjoyed the day with me. And yeah, thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for all y'all support. And I will be posting a review install of this wig that I got from Yo Love a Hair. It was sent to me. Even though it was the wrong one, I chose the full frontal, but he did the thing with this 4x4 closure. So, yep, if y'all interested in this, I will leave the details in this video, but I will have a separate video coming up about this wig. Be on the lookout for that. I'm not sure if the vlog gonna post first or that video gonna post first, but I want to say thank y'all for watching. I'm finna take a shower. I'm finna get in the bed. I work tomorrow, so.